Good morning, children. Welcome to your online class of EVS. I hope you all are fit and fine in your home, children. Today, now we are in chapter number 5, and chapter number 5 is Anita and the honeybees. Yes, before starting the chapter, children, I want to ask a question to you that have you all saw a honeybee? Yes. What is the work of honeybee? And have you eat honey any time? Yes. Honeybees collect honey for us. Okay, and the honey is a very sweet fluid. So, without wasting the time, now we are starting the chapter Anita and the honeybees. So now children, without wasting much time, we are starting our chapter. My name is Anita Kushwaha. Yes, in that chapter, there is given a journey of a girl whose name of Anita Kushwaha. Yes, what is the name of this girl? This girl name was Anita Kushwaha. I lived in Bochaha village. Where she was left? Yes, she lived in Bochaha village. This is in Muzaffarpur district in Bihar. Yes, where the Bochaha village is situated? It is in Muzaffarpur district in Bihar. Okay, I stay with my parents and two younger brothers. How many members are in Anita's family? Yes, there are 4 members with Anita in her family, her parents and her 2 younger brothers. I study in college. Now Anita is in college. Besides studying, I teach young children. With her study, Anita also teach many young children, and I also keep honeybees, and she also keep many honeybees. Okay, that means she did many jobs together. All this has not been easy for me. Yes, of course, that is not an easy task. Her own study with the tuition classes, he keep honeybees also. So that is not an easy routine for anyone. When I was young, Anita is saying that when he was young, I used to spend all my time with my goats as they grazed for food. Anita is saying that whenever she was young, she spent all his time with his goats and the cattle and for grazed food. I always wanted to go to school, but my parents did not like the idea of girls going to school. Yes, children, you know that in ancient time, in many areas, those are not much developed. They did not allow to girl child to go to school. They believe that the education is the right of only male childs. So they sent only boys to school and stayed the girls at home for the household work. So that's why Anita was facing many challenges for her study. Okay? Our dream of school. Yes, children, now you all know that. What was Anita's dream? Yes, Anita's dream was to go to a school for study. Yes, one day I peeped into the school in our village. Yes, one day whenever Anita went for grazing her goats, he peeped into the school which is situated in her village. I could not stay away. I silently went and sat down behind the children. Yes, whenever she got the chance, she can't stop, and she could not stay her outside, and she silently and quietly went inside the classroom and sat down among the all children. I felt so happy. Yes, that was her dream moment. So she felt so happy and so excited. I went home and picked up courage to talk to my parents about going to school. Yes, on that day, Anita picked up her all courage and want to talk with her parents for going to school. But whenever she talked with his parents, they refused her request, and they told me clearly that I could not do so. Yes, that means they refused her request, and they did not allow her to go to school. Okay, on that day, Anita cried and cried. She became very sad and cried for many hours. And one of the teachers in my village explained to my parents why it is important to study. Yes, some days after, one teacher of Anita's village explained her parents that study is very important for any child. The teacher told them that they would not have to pay anything for my education up to class 8th. Yes, the teacher also told Anita's parents that they would not pay any amount, any fee, any rupees for the education of Anita till class 8th. The teacher said that it was the right of every child to go to school, and the teacher also said them that education is the right of every child to go to school. So they have to must allow to Anita for school. Somehow my parents agreed. Whenever the teacher explained them heartily, then they understood and they agreed for allow Anita to go school. I started going to school. Then Anita started her journey for going to school. I did not get high marks, but I always asked many questions. Anita is not very intelligent or brilliant student, but he is very curious. She is very curious and always putting up many questions and asked many queries to her teachers. Children, today's explanation is complete now. We will meet on the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, have a nice day.